Hello and welcome to Math Molecules. In this tutorial, we would be covering Introduction to Algebraic Expressions. What is an algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is nothing but a combination of variables and constants connected by operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Let's go ahead and see some examples. First one being 5 minus y, where 5 is a constant and y is a variable which is connected by the symbol of subtraction. Moving on to the second one, xy is a product of x and y minus 6z, which is a product of a constant and variable z, plus 4, which is again a constant. Therefore, xy minus 6z plus 4 is an algebraic expression. The last one, 2 by y plus cube root of y. 2 by y is 2 divided by a variable y plus cube root of y, which is again a variable. Therefore, the third one is also an example of an algebraic expression. Now we would learn some terms, some jargons which are used in the language of algebra. Let's go ahead and explore them. Constant. Any symbol that has a fixed value is called a constant. Example, 8, 23. It could be negative numbers, -2, 0, rational numbers, fractions. A constant is something which does not change. Variable, also called as the unknown. It is something which varies, a symbol which does not have a fixed value, but one can assign values to it according to the requirement. Variables are normally represented by letters, alphabets. Therefore, they are also known as literals. Example, X, Y, P, Q, A, B, C. Any alphabet could be used. Generally, lowercase letters are used to represent variables. Term. A term is a variable or a constant or a combination of a variable and a constant. Combination here it means it could be a product or a quotient. Example, x. X is a variable. It's a term. Minus 5x. It is a product of a variable and a constant. Hence, it is also a term. xy is a product of two variables. X by y is the quotient of x divided by y. The last one is a constant. It is also a term. Various parts of an algebraic expression that are separated by addition or subtraction are called terms of an expression. Now in the example 5x squared minus 2x plus 5 by y minus 6. It is an algebraic expression where 5x squared is a term, minus 2x is another term, 5 by y is a term, and minus 6 is a constant term. The expression has four terms, and these four variables are separated by minus or plus sign. Coefficient. Any factor of an algebraic quantity is called the coefficient of the remaining part of it. For example, for the term 7xyz, 7 is the coefficient of xyz. 7x is the coefficient of yz. 7xy is the coefficient of z, and so on. Now let's move on to types of algebraic expressions. Based on the number of terms in the expression, the algebraic expression is classified as monomial, binomial, trinomial, or in general polynomial. Monomial is an algebraic expression with only one term. Mono stands for one. Binomial is an algebraic expression with two terms. Bi stands for two, while trinomial is an algebraic expression with three terms. Tri stands for three. Quadrinomial is an algebraic expression with four terms. Quadra means four. In general, Any algebraic expression with more than one term or two or more terms is called a polynomial. Poly means many, nomial means term. An expression with many terms is called a polynomial. So binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial, and so on, all are called as polynomials. Let's go ahead and learn the degree of a polynomial. If the polynomial has only one variable, the highest power of the variable is the degree of the polynomial. Let's see the example. First one, 8x squared minus 6x plus 3. The degree of this polynomial is 2 because x squared is the variable with the highest power, which is 2. The second example, 6y minus 2y to the power of 5 minus y cube. Here y to the power of 5 has the highest exponent value, which is 5. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is 5. 5 minus x. X power 1 has the highest value. So 1 is the degree of this particular polynomial. Now polynomial with two or more variables. In this case, first what you will have to do is find the sum of the powers of the variable. The highest sum obtained in this way would be the degree of your polynomial. Let's look at this example. X power 5 y cube z plus 2x y cube plus 4x square y z square. Let's find the sum of the exponents in each of the terms. First term is x power 5 y cube z. Let's add up the exponents. 5 plus 3 plus 1 gives us 9. The second term, 2x y cube. Let's add the exponents. 1 plus 3, which is 4. The last term, when we add the exponents, 2 plus 1 plus 2, we get 5. And we find that 9 is the highest value of the sum of the exponents. Therefore, the degree of this polynomial is 9. Further, a polynomial could be classified based on its degrees. If the polynomial has 0 as the degree, that means there is no variable, only a constant is present. In that case, its degree would be 0. Such a polynomial with degree 0 is called a constant polynomial. A polynomial with degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. As we see in example 2, x plus 3 is a linear polynomial because its degree is 1. A polynomial with degree 2 is called quadratic, with degree 3 is called cubic, degree 4 is called quartic, and a polynomial with degree 5 is called quintic. Thus, we learned that a polynomial could be classified based on degrees as constant, linear, quadratic, and so on. We also learned a polynomial can be classified based on its terms also. An algebraic expression with one term is called a monomial, with two terms is called a binomial, three terms trinomial. In general, two or more terms we call the algebraic expression as a polynomial. At last, there is one point to be remembered. An algebraic expression is a polynomial only if the degree of each of the terms is a non-negative integer. I hope this tutorial was helpful to all of you. We have covered the basics of algebra here. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching Math Molecules.